Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of Sylvia Craft. Today I'm going to show us how to make this design, the onion bulb layer. And I did this video before and I got some comments that it wasn't clear enough. So I'm repeating it again today and for us to see it, and I promise I will try as much as I can to make sure you get the view or see what I'm doing and where I'm passing the needle through. So here I have my fishing line with my beading needle. Then I have size 8 gold crystal bead, and I have size 2 seed bead. So to start this design, I will pick one size 8 crystal bead and drop it almost at the tail of my fishing line, but leaving some inches for attaching it, so I'll be able to attach it to the lock. So holding it this way, then I'll pick 5 seed beads. You can pick 5, 6, 7 depending on the size. Most times the size 2 doesn't come in the same size. So this, after picking 5 of this is where my needle is coming out. This is the tail and this is the upper part. So I'll pass, picking 5 seed bead, I'll pass it underneath the crystal bead this way, in this form. Then here you have it like this. Then you do this 7 times, round it. Then I'll pick another 5 seed beads, pass it underneath. The same thing, you do this for 7, you do it 7 times. Then you have the second one. Then I'll pick the next one. Then this is what I have. Then I pass my needle underneath it. This, you have 3 of it like this. Then you pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5. You pass it under and take it from here. You have the 4 here. You have it like this. And you pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember I told you go through it 7 times, and that 7 times is for you to be able to wrap the size 8. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pass it underneath. So here I already have 6 here, left with 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again, then I pass it. This is the last one. Then, like in my other video, I showed us the work of the flat nose. So in this case, where you find it difficult to pull the needle, is the work of the flat nose plier. You use it, hold the needle like this, then you bring it out. It's done. So that's also the work of the flat nose. So at this point, you have it like this. It's 7 rounded. So after this, the next step is for you to pick size 8 seed bead. You pick another size 8, pass it through your needle, let it drop like this, if you can see it. Drop it, then you pick the second one like this. So you have it. Then the next thing you do is to do the same thing you did before, only on this first one here. Like for example, let me try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have this 5 seed beads. Then this is the 2 I picked. Then instead I'll leave this first one down here, then pass through this one here, the one at the top, like this. You see it. Continue in this form till you get to the length you want. This is what you see. So let me see your videos if you try this design, and don't forget to comment, share. If you have any concern on this design, let me know on the comment box. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.